Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add a really cool intro for your travel videos. So I'm just going to open my video. It's basically just me in a car, but I don't really have any traveling videos because I don't travel. But if you want to add in a very cool intro where it's like you plug in a phone, plug in a phone, so like it recharges it. It's very cool for the intro, I think, in my opinion. So I'm just going to press this plus button over here, and I am going to go to stock videos, and then you can choose either the system hack, but I like this one because like it shows that you're recharging, if you know what I mean. Press add, and make sure you have this line in the beginning or not, just like switch it later if you find that the intro is at the end. And I'm just going to resize it so it fits the whole frame like so. And that is basically it. Just put your travel videos next to the intro and you'll have a very cool intro. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!